I think we often, as designers, measure a space based on how it feels rather than how it looks. And I think that idea of feeling was something that was really important in the project's inception. When we think about feeling, it's not only the conscious decisions that we're making within design, but it's also the subconscious. Those ephemeral qualities really come down to things that are not particularly tangible, so natural light, thermal qualities, the amount of view, aspect and connection to landscape. Given the site's location to an eroding landscape, it was really important for us to make sure that the building had a sense of weight and permanence. Being located on the Esplanade, we had a direct relationship to Royal Beach and Mornington Park. Looking at the built form as a mass, we started with the travertine block. This block then takes a recessive approach by subtracting volumes, which informs the balcony structure, and then the apartments are set back from that. We took colourway cues from natural travertine and stone that responded to the cliff tops of the Mornington Peninsula coastal line. The project's restrained and desaturated materiality, I think it then starts to play into the sense of luxury within the space. When you're designing apartments, space is a commodity. Concealment was also something that was really important. So being able to have the kitchen behind me, for example, but it's really reading as a backdrop to the living space rather than a utilitarian zone. The beauty of the appliance is something that's always really considered. As designers, when specifying, especially working within the multi-residential setting, we're usually looking for appliance packages that can stand out from the rest. Miele was a great choice in that aspect, given that the different colourways between the product are adaptive to different uses, so it can be a real good one-stop shop to get all of your appliance needs within one package. I think the level of integration with Miele is paramount. And the adaptability of the Fleet series, meaning that we can interchange different models within the same modular system, means that purchaser variations, when then thinking about a multi-residential setting, can be quite easy to not need to then adapt construction documentation. I think my favourite space in the entire apartment would have to be the open plan kitchen, living, dining area. There's something really nice about the aspect within this space, and I think that plays to not only the amount of luxurious timber veneer that we've clad the apartment in, but it's also the element of light and aspect and view to nature. It's just a space I could see myself entertaining indefinitely. As designers, we have a sense of agency to ensure that the buildings that we're creating within public spaces have a benefit to the rest of the realm, and I think when we understand the site's location to Mornington Park and the Esplanade and the activity of the growing Mornington population, we really wanted to produce a product that would stand the test of time and set a new standard for multi-residential living in the city of Mornington.